Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to Ask in Detail, our famous YouTube channel Enriching Knowledge. Friends, today again we are at the practical session of CBSE Class 10 IT Computer Subject, Unit First Digital Documentation Advanced, and the today's point of attraction is Table of Content. In short, it is also called as TOC. And before starting this practical, I would like to tell you the sub points or the main points of this session: how to create a table of content, how to make a hierarchy of headings, then how to customize, update, change uh, table of content, how to update, how to maintain the table of content, that is TOC, and how to apply some styles to TOC. Yes, we can modify, we can improve our TOC also. So for this session, we must have to open our famous software, that is OpenOffice. Just double click on the icon. Now just click on text documents, and here is the opening screen, home screen of our uh, OpenOffice writer. Now, before starting TOC, I must have to tell you TOC is nothing but the index which is available on the first page of every book. So, how to create a TOC? Look at the points again. Create TOC, then define hierarchy of headings. So, creation of TOC is based on defining hierarchy of headings. So, let's see how. First of all, we have to keep our first page blank. Okay, so I will just move to the next page from the second page, because first page will contain TOC. So now see, we are at the second page. At the left bottom corner, you can see we are at the second page. Now here from the second page, we will start our data typing or data entry or content writing. Fine. So let's take an example for the unit first. As we have already have our data in our book, unit first, and name, just take a name of unit first, that is digital documentation. Okay, now this is the first heading. So we must have to apply some style to this, because it's BIMP. I will directly use shortcut key F11 to apply the style. I will apply heading 1 to this heading of first unit, or we can say title of first heading. Now, in unit 1, what are the topics? Let's take an example of first point is 1.1. That is, here we will have sub points like styles. Okay, so I have to apply different style to this point. Let's take an example of heading 2. Okay, now here there must be some data explanation about the style. Suppose take an example of style is to used to format or to design the document in an effective manner. Such kind of theory will be there. Okay, fine. Now I will move to the next page. Let's take an example of the next document, that suppose there is a unit 2. Okay, unit 2, and what is the heading of unit 2? Let's take an example of electronic spreadsheet. Okay, now I have to apply heading 1 to this main. Always whenever the similar kind of headings will be there, you must have to apply same style. Okay, now in this unit, what should be the first point? Let's take an example, that 2.1. Okay, because it is unit 1, sorry, it is unit 2, so 2.1 heading, suppose for example, what if analysis. Okay, what if analysis, this is the point of discussion, that is first point of discussion in this unit. Now I will apply heading 2, because it is a sub point, as we have already done as for the unit first. Now let's take an example of fourth page. Suppose on fourth page, the next heading, or let's take example of the next unit is, for example, database. Okay, so I will type the name of database, name of third unit is database management system. Okay, so This is unit heading, so I have to apply heading 1 style. Now let's take an example of 3.1, the first point in this unit. Let's take an example of create database. Okay, so what kind of style should I apply here? Unit, sorry, heading 2. Now this kind of data we have already created. Now I will go to the first page. Here we want to add a TOC. We want to create a TOC. How? Let's see the exact path. Traditionally, we'll go here, click on insert menu, then click on indexes and table, then click on indexes and tables sub option. Just click here. Now one window will appear here. What can you do with the TOC designing? Yes, here is already a preview is already available. See how our TOC will look like. These are the headings, these are the points, these are the contents, data contents available in the document, and all these contents will be displayed in this way, like a TOC, like an index. See what name you want to give to our TOC. Most of the time in any kind of book, index is mentioned. So I will also mention index. Let's make the first character capital. Okay. Fine. Index. Now, what kind of type? There are many types, but keep it table of content because we want to create same. Otherwise, there are many things: table of objects, bibliography, and other things. Okay, let's keep this. Now, create index and table for what entire document? Yes, whatever we will add here in this or entire document will be enlisted, inserted into the TOC. Otherwise, you can create chapter wise also, but keep it entire document because index must have to identify, index must have to show the contents of entire document. So make it entire document. And finally, yes, okay, we'll go to the second tab, that is entries. Now this question was also asked in the exam. What is the use of this e hash sign? That is the chapter number. Then just e is nothing but the entry. T signifies tab stop, and hash signifies page number. So these uh, symbols were asked in the last exam paper, so you can memorize these things also. Now if you want to see all, so here all the things will appear on the screen if you want. Okay. Now yes, we'll go to the next because most of the things have been done here. Character style, yes, you can have character styles like bullets, caption numbers, default, definition, drop case. I will make it none because I have already given numbering, so I will keep it none. Now go to third tab, that is styles. How you can mention here, but I will just leave it. Okay, fine, I will keep my style, own style, as it was. Next column, yes, column. How you want to display your index? So there are some options. One column or two column wise, or three column or two column in a different size manner. Some patterns have been given, but most of the time we will keep one column. Okay, fine, because it is most of the time it is widely used, it is widely considered or recommended. Now we'll keep it one column. Okay, fine. Otherwise you can make it two also. Fine. Now we'll click on last tab, that is background. Yes, you can format. I have already given some points. See, you can have a formatting, customizing TOC, that is designing, formatting, or changing, making some updations, additions in the TOC. So what kind of colors you can apply? Any color. Most of the time you must have to select paint color so that the TOC content makes is visible properly. Okay, so click on OK. Now see what happens. This is the miracle. Automatically it will take all the contents. I have not entered, or I have not typed any single entry here in the TOC. It will automatically get it. Now see, page numbers are also available. On which page what kind of content is there, which heading available on which point, which page number. Okay, now the next thing, see, how to maintain and update. Okay, apply character style. I have skipped for this purpose. You can apply character styles. Okay. Otherwise, character styles can be easily done using formatting options or formatting tools here. Just select here and apply some changes or fonts, etc. We can have also from the same thing. Okay, fine. We'll try to make some changes. See, styles, alignments. Okay, most of the, yes, update. Okay, here, click here. Okay, and you can update. How? There will be no change right now because I have not changed anything in the document. Now I will tell you the use of updation. Now just click here. We'll create a fourth heading of a fourth on fourth page. Let's take example of unit 4, and the heading of unit 4, let's take from the syllabus. Yes, it is a web security. Okay, security. uh, okay, web application and security. Fine. Now see, this is my first unit heading. So what kind of styles I have to apply? As you all know, heading 1. So we have, because we need classification. Which what kind of classification? Main headings will be shown in a different manner, subheadings shown in a different manner. So I will classify these contents using these styles. Now first point from this fourth unit is 4.1, that is working with accessibility option, or let's take an example of chatting. Okay, fine. CHATTING, chatting. Now, which style should I apply here? Heading 2, as we have already done previously. Now, I have entered fourth unit, but in TOC, such kind of updations not done. Now here, just right click and click on update index. See what happens. Just concentrate on the screen. See, fourth unit automatically it will be listed in the index, that is TOC. So this is all about TOC updations. If you want to change, now let's try with the character style. I will go to insert menu, click on indexes and tables, and click on indexes and tables sub option, and just see styles. Okay, fine. I will click on level 1. Okay, I just want to see what happens exactly. And content 4. Now click on OK. Okay, fine. Not a single change has been done here. Again, try to apply. If there is a need of selection, you can have. Okay, title, make it default. No. Okay, I will click on caption. Try to edit it. See, here are some styles. Now tab. Okay, then indexes and spacing. Indents, yes, space before the paragraph, before the whole line. um, no, I will not. I will select only the thing which will be visible. Okay, I will make changes in the font. See here. Now I will apply some another font, some kind of funny wide Latin. Let's see what happens exactly. And I will increase the font size also, so that you will get to know the character style. Now click on OK, fine. If possible, we will try to apply color also, text flow. Okay, it will. Okay, font effects. Yes, here is a color, font color. Just select any required color. Now, yes, fine. And yes, you have another effects like capital, small, otherwise outline, shadow line. Shadow, okay, fine. We'll click with shadow line, then overline, outline, strike through. Not necessarily. Just click on OK, and finally click on OK, and just OK, fine. It is not applied yet. Just try to update. Not done. Okay, edit. Okay, now click here and click on edit. The changes are there. Okay, click here again. Fine. Just in list here. Yes, see, all the things will be applicable here for caption only. If you change content, just make it edition, make some editions here. Select font color in a respective manner, or have some other things. Okay, font, select wide Latin. so that it will match with the rest of the content. Mm, don't know. We have to search where it is. Wide Latin or select anything suitable. Yes, we will have a demo here. Increase the font size. Click OK and just insert here. Mm, okay, fine. It will be applicable to the content. Let's see what happens. I will make it caption only. Click here, caption. Now click on OK and see what happens. Okay, so captions and contents both changed. This is all about character style in TOC. Let's try to do these things. I think we have completed all the points from the given uh, subpoints. Okay, now if you have any query, please feel free to ask. If you like this video, thumbs up, and if you really want to make it accessible to everyone, please share, subscribe, and press bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.